Hi, I'd like to show you my bathroom, or not bathroom, powder room that I will be remodeling over the next few months. So welcome to my powder room slash laundry room. So here's an overview of the powder room. We'll start here. Those cabinet doors I'd like to replace. I don't like the style of them. I like to repaint the wall. It's right now a yellowish color. It may not show up on this video. This toilet will be the first to go. It's kind of broken. And I'm kind of tired of black. Pedestal sink will be going. I may do a cabinet. I'm still debating about that. The baseboard got water damage, so I will be replacing that as well. Outlet covers probably will go bye-bye as well too. There's the new toilet right there. We'll just kind of scan back around on the east side. I will have to redo the ceiling. There's been some water damage from upstairs, so that's a mystery leak that I need to find or have a plumber find. Light fixture will go bye-bye. Don't like it. Baseboard on the west wall kind of damaged as well, so I'll probably replace all of that. The tile floor, I still like it, just needs to be cleaned up a bit. The door just needs to have some touch-ups done to it. And again, here's that ceiling. It's been patched before, and now it needs to be redone again because that whole little area is damaged. It's dry, but it is still damaged. I may or may not keep the faucet. I don't know. We'll see. One of the things I'm thinking about is hanging some ceiling length curtains to block off that, because as I said in my intro, it is a powder room slash laundry room. So I don't have a bunch of kids or no kids right now, so I don't have to worry about having a large scale laundry room. It's basically just me. And this is just one of my 4 bathrooms. 3 out of the bathrooms need some type of slight remodeling. So I hope you come back to my channel and continue to watch my progress in this bathroom. Again, I hope to have it finished by the end of the year, but you know how that is. You need money. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you for watching this today. My next video, hopefully you'll get some tips and ideas as well too. Thank you.